Right, there you are, guys. Another one to show you. Unfortunately, it rained a lot today, so I couldn't do the video whilst it was raining. But it's just a nice update, really, because this one we started early in the season, and a couple of weeks ago we did the lawn feed, and honestly, we seem to be winning on this one. Look at how it's looking. So I'll just walk you through. I've finished the mowing and the patio, but this is looking fantastic. Yeah, I'm really pleased with this because I took it over when it was really overgrown in a very big mess. Then it took us time to get where we are. The patio is tidy, nice and clean, as you can see. I'm not too sure about the sunlight, but I hope you can see what I'm seeing. So that's the patio, all nice and tidy. And look at the lawn. Look at that. So really nice, really cool. It's always nice when you feel like you're achieving something, but this is just an update. For some who have been following this garden, we are really winning. Look at that. So we'll keep on feeding the lawn and doing more with it, but I think we are in the right direction on this one. Looking very neat and looking very nice. So fantastic stuff. We have really worked hard to achieve this, but here we are. Just an update. I hope those who have been following this one can see the difference, but I'm pleased with this. It's always rewarding when you see something getting to where you feel like it should be going. Look at that. And can you see the lines? Today I brought in the big boy, the roller one, Honda HR535 with the roller at the back. So it really cut a very nice cut today. Look at that. Though I'm really drenched, properly drenched, but it's a story for another day. We achieved what we needed to achieve today. So there you are, guys. I hope you're enjoying this, and this is from me to you, just for you guys to enjoy. And you know, it's the outdoors, and it gives you something, isn't it? Just seeing something being done, something being achieved. Some of the gardens I've been showing you were really in a very big mess, but we are trying our best. We can only do the best we can, but this is nice. Look at that. So we need to be on top of feeding the lawn, but I can see it improving already. So nice touch on it. So on top of our cutting once every 2 to 3 weeks, and also feeding the lawn. But this is an achievement, guys. At another diagonal angle. Fantastic stuff. Once again, thank you ever so much for coming to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do click that button so that we can keep on going and giving you more to enjoy the outdoors with us. It's quite an experience for us when we're outdoors, but it's also good to share what we are seeing and achieving. So thank you once again, and keep on supporting. We like your support, we enjoy your support, we look forward to giving you more. For now, it's a goodbye.